Starting YouTube for the first time is not a very, very big or stressful something to do. You don't need to start thinking about, oh, how am I going to get this gadget? How am I going to buy this? How am I going to buy that? You just simply need to start with what you have. That is, start with what you have. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I am Miwa Debs, or you can call me simply Miwa, and I am a Nigerian YouTube content creator. And I create content regarding YouTube, lifestyle, and all of that. And if that is what you like to watch, if that is what you get down with, make sure you like, you comment, and then you subscribe. In today's video, we're going to be talking about equipment. We're going to be talking about how to start your YouTube channel. We're going to be talking about things that you need to start your YouTube channel without breaking a bank, without going all out and spending lots and lots of money before you start making money off of YouTube. So if that seems like the video that you want to watch, make sure you stick around. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I create my YouTube videos, starting from my camera to my lighting to my tripods to everything, to the bits, even to the last T. So guys, let us start. First up, I'm going to be talking about the camera. The camera is the number one equipment that you need to start a YouTube channel. And when I'm saying camera, I'm not saying all those big fancy cameras. I'm talking about your phone. If you have an Android or you use an iPhone, it is good to go. So far you can get clear pictures from your phone, clear videos from your phone. And then another tip that you need to know when taking pictures or videos on your phone is that make sure that you always and always clean the lens. Like, that is like the number one OG go. Make sure that you clean. You wipe your lenses of your camera, whether you're using the front camera or you're using the back camera. Make sure you wipe it clean so that you can get that crisp video, that clear video that you want. And then as time goes on and then as you progress, then you can now start using the big Canon cameras, the M50 cameras, the Sony cameras. And if you are into vlogging, you can obviously start with your phone. You can obviously start with your phone. Yes, it might be like a fear. Maybe people will be saying that, oh, why is she carrying her phone all up in our faces? But your success is on the other side of being cringe. So start with your phone, vlog with your phone. And if you are going all out maybe for your vlogging channel, then you can get the DJI or Small Pocket 3 creator camera. Just start with what you have. Make sure you clean your lens. Make sure that you check if there is enough of space on your phone, so that when you're creating your videos, you don't just keep talking to the camera and then you're out of space. And then your phone camera should be able to shoot in HD, like 1080p's at maybe 30 FPS or 24 FPS. And if your phone's camera is like the big iPhones that can shoot in 4K, you can always shoot in 4K. You can go ahead, shoot in 4K, but you obviously know that when you're shooting in 4K, that's going to be a big or a large file size. So make sure that you put into consideration your storage size when you're filming, and then your, what's it called, the time that it's going to take for you to edit the videos and all of that. Next tip, or the next equipment you're going to be needing, is your microphone. So guys, you can obviously see on my body here, I don't know, yes, you can see that there is a clipped on microphone on me. You can use your phone's camera, like your phone's microphone, your camera's microphone on your phone. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You can obviously use that, but for you to get that clear, and then maybe noise cancellation, you can always invest in a microphone. You can start with maybe lavalier wired microphone, or if you want to go all out, like if you don't like what's it called, you don't like wires everywhere around you, then you can obviously save your money and get what's it called, get this wireless microphone. People can stick up with maybe a video that is not clear, but if your audio is not clear and people are not hearing or understanding, or getting the message that you're passing across, then they might not wait, they might not stay, they might not watch your videos because they can't properly hear you. So your audio is something that is very, very, very key and very important when you're creating a YouTube video, when you're trying to start YouTube content. Your audio needs to be on par. Like with this small wireless microphone, my voice is clear. I hope you can hear me. If you can hear me in the comment section, just write, "We can hear you." Yeah, we can hear you. You need your microphone. And okay, yes, if you don't have a microphone yet, make sure that you film in a noiseless place. Now, if you're living in Nigeria, you know that people are always active in the day. So maybe you have to like put that into consideration and then probably film at night where the noise is a bit lower. So it depends on your location, it depends on your pocket, and it depends on you. The next thing we're going to be talking about is lightning. Your lightning setup. People need to see you. We need to see you clearly. Lightning makes a huge difference in your videos because it helps people to see the clear picture, it helps people to see what's going on, it helps people to like, it gives your video that glow. It helps people to be like, oh my god, she's this, she's pretty, it helps your videos to be very clear. It brings out the clear vision of your video. So I currently use two small LED lights. I place one over here, place one right in front of me, and then there's a center one. Before the advent of LED lights, people were using the ring lights, people were using the big soft boxes. So it depends on you. It depends on your budget, it depends on your pocket. So if you are a kind of person that you don't like big what's it called, equipment, then you can just go with small LED lights. And if you are the kind that likes you know big big equipment, then you can go with the big old soft boxes. It depends on you and depends on the kind of lighting setup that you are trying to achieve. So lighting makes your videos very crisp. And then fortunate enough if you are fortunate enough to get sunlight, direct sunlight, then by all means shoot with direct sunlight, because I can't overestimate how direct sunlight looks on your videos. It gives you that clear video, like gives you that sun-kissed video. So make sure you like invest in direct sunlight too. And if you're unable to get direct sunlight, just get small LED lights. You can just get like two LED lights, place them side by side, and your camera in front of you, and you are good to go. You need a tripod stand to stabilize your videos. You can start out with maybe like placing books over one another, then you place your phone in front of it to make sure that you get that steady video. People don't like shaky videos. I'm sorry. Shaky videos that is not going to be, no. People don't do shaky videos. Try as much as possible to like stack books up and then place your phone at the back or at the front of the books so that you can get that steady video. Try as much as possible to invest in a very good tripod stand, the one that is able to be sturdy and that can stand. And then a few extra tips. You can invest in colored lights like the one at the back right now, just to give like illumination, just to make your background less basic. You understand what I'm saying? You can also invest in flowers. They are called props, so that your videos can pop out, so that you can have a beautiful background. So guys, this is the end of the video. So let's make a quick summary about what we've talked about in this video. We talked about your camera, that you can use your phone. We talked about microphone. Make sure you video your videos in a very quiet place, or you invest in microphones. Then we talked about lightning, use of LED lights, soft boxes, and ring lights also. And then we talked about tripod stand. That is, get a tripod stand to make your videos steady and less shaky. And what else did we talk about? I think that's all. So guys, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. We are at 80 subscribers right now. Let us get to 1K. Can we get to 1K by January next year? But let us see how far we can go before the year runs out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking around. I love you guys so much. Peace out. XOXO. Bye.